calling in the dance hall. A disappointed some boy who has no double plates at all.
Marcus, yes, play back, you know. Big thing, man. Jordan, when you say something, yeah.
The one we hear to the speaker there one day play. So don't worry about the crowd. You worry about the scene of the man. You! Yeah. You want next often. Alright, 10 minutes exit out. Yeah.
Do you ever make a circle? In a horse road dance before and you mention it together. See your man sound words will break your soul every time. Let the water feel of your mind. For the fruits and the blood, nothing. He's everywhere side, will make sure something happen. Make a circle, time is looking our bright before all. Not to mention I am to see how myself's gonna go. Radios all the time.
We don't raise someone for we, so as they say. Over and over, always be my champion. Forever and a day. I could search this whole world over until my life is through. But I know I never find a sound so true. It's a long, long journey, so stand by my side. Though I walk through the storms, you'll be my guide. If they gave me a focus, my blessings could be small. I could lose it all tomorrow, and I never mind at all. But if I should lose yourself now, I don't know what I do. All I know, I never find a sound like you. That's what we that there. That no shine, no will.
Rinse and shut and heavy. No need to bowl, no need to beg. Pouring for no even live. Good Lord. Now the skull bus, mother receive another sound boy. Yeah. Family and friends want for vision. Yeah. Somebody call yours, cause I jump on the gear, it's a lead the turn. Make it quick because it's getting around the world. Latin of it now found that.
Check. Alright, make we entertain, man. Come on. Alright.
Big gun man rise born to make no nice.
First song by 4x4. Richie, are you ready to sit down?
Send it till the instant date. We use the black blend just to choose your proper name. And I use that the plate to just select and I can just still get gunshot to the brain. 4x4 is sounding.
Alright, that's 4x4. Original vibes, come in.
Yeah, man. Them feel them can't take blood clot boat and come cast say I mean Moses. You got. And them try jump cast you about crocodile in it.
You will fly now.
Original vibes are you. Then if you cross the bridge, you're down in a sorrow. Oh, say if you cross the bridge, you will have
Play the blood clot song.
New wave. New wave.
The new wave song is a Frankie Pan, it's a man like Stevie Wonder, and peer celebrity them. If you understand that new wave Frankie Pan, Stevie Wonder. If ring a bell phone, you hear me? Run it here, so come in a long argument with sound. Stand and ding, stand and do, stand and ding, and a now. A little heated sound. You're such a clown, you're going down now. I hear them cry, a new wave kill them. We can't bother with them, no more about you.
Next song. City Star. Come in. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we have a female selector. We have a female selector. Give it up to her. Give it up to the female selector in the house. Yeah. City Star, come in. Come in. Set on a thing and come in, brethren.
You're mine, yeah.
No, man.
Yeah, whoa. Big up to the star, big up to the star, let the mirror fly.
Ready?
Hold up, this is for real. Since I was always my son for life. Ooh, yes. Since I was always my son for life. Ooh, yes. Said to give a major and nothing else enough.
Alright, original vibes. Yo, we're gonna calm down over this one. Original vibes.
You know what kind of night? You good, man, you good.
Original vibes, come on. Pure vibes, calm on, pure vibes. Alright.
Straight up in the yard. Them feeling like grand vibes. Watch it up. Steve Austin, Jerry Fire, them feeling. Hey, na na na. Hey, na na na. Hey, original vibes up there again. Ah, yes, oh, na na na. Yeah. It's been a long time now since we played dub plate like this. A different vibe is in the air. Original vibe I play again. I happiness on every face. Original vibe.
Alright. Eat. New wave. Come in. Come in.
New wave sound on the diamond sound.
I think we get it right now,
I'm
bro.
like Frankie Pan every time. Big up, some Bobby. Principal. Where's the right now? Kill songs. Nah. Sing song time. Right. Yes. Song time. Wait a minute. Before you touch it in the place. Tell me what can you do to stop yourself from me?
Alright. City.
Punchline. Punchline. What that? Punchline.
City Star.
Punchline. You ever stop this song?
Once you cut this song, you cut it to me.
A big man, City Star soul. What am I telling you? Y'all look cool. I go to the scene of your people right now. Foundation artist of the man like Jimmy and I'm not going to take some fire. Yes, but I'm like that much, man. Start the bowling sound. What do you know? City Star. Love that's my fire. Bring on that. City Star is the sun that slowly grows and grows. Not one that comes and goes. That's the song that I'm calling here. City Star is the sun that might come on the sun. I love them out of town. That's the song that I like to hear. Don't let me down.
Alright. Original vibes. Original vibes coming.
Now onto the babe and the suckling. Or even on public doctrine, keep listening. If you test original vibes, it's certified murderation and killing. Honestly, Brian Vibes, Steve Austin, gun flashing, Jerry Fire. It's just a murder jump on. They pan original vibes, man. We kill jump on. If them test with any time, it's just a murder jump on. They pan original vibes, man. We kill jump on. They do that all of the time. What's it? Dance around your love, we play music.
Alright. New Wave.
Oh yes, this is Buddy Rams from Third World for New Wave. Man like Frankie Paul, Father Bob. We are called the New Wave. Since it's 96 degrees, is a dance trouble. 10,000 summers on parade. Taking island to see them sound general. New Wave, don't you know? You're a true champion. New Wave, you're number one. New Wave, you are champion. Man like Father, but don't you know? You are so strong. We gon' murder someone all night, yo. Everything gon' be alright. New Wave, don't you know? Yeah. That jumping sound, yeah. 96 degrees.
96 degree in West Palm Beach. City Star.
The original vibes and the wrong song where you're playing. And the wrong song where you're playing. See what I'm going to do. No, the rest of them we not worry about. You invade and come up yourself from Miami. So watch you know. We say we come to kill.
You know you have some jump on the one and do the rest neck. But I still couldn't make it.
And the wrong song where you're playing, boy.
Take them say, when the nerves in the bed, when the tomorrow so that when I'm powder. Boy, test it to start and get coach that all over. When the nerves in the bed, when the tomorrow so that when I'm powder.
Put on the baseline from the soul, man. Good fun. Now, I have a little bit, a couple of minutes. Just
Original vibes, come in. Come in.
Hold on now. When you go to primary school, you have a style was say anything you can do, I can do better.
oh shit.
I kill you, I try to kill me. You can't play Shabba versus this as well. So me now go even forward and play no Shabba. They kill them too easy. Remember who you are ramp with.
Vibes from the Steve Brian, vibes from the Steve Austin. Easy Jerry Fire, original love gunpowder. Some this how we go, some them fears. Jerry Fire run the place. Don't be played, the sound can't violate. Steve Austin upgrade the machine. Brian vibes him as that of the scheme. Some boy up he run from the scene. Original kill better, we kill better.
Alright.
Big up our next man. Steve Austin, what's Steve Austin?
I like it. Are you married or about people? Are you?
Now this is war, international war. I think it's a war, yes sir. When them say the art of war, alright, then it's a slaughter war, then casualties of war, man. And you know what's a new wave. Anything test, man. Kill it easily, man. Lord of mercy. I'll finish. Shut them and say, come suck and shut all of them burn. Shut them and curtain. Rush into them Stevie, rush into them body. Them a go dead in a door. You will attack the fight. But if this war is war can't done. Start the walk up, principal and run. Anything is a late done. Show what the fun. When we back with on a murderation comes, you will let us some. While it up and down, them a go dead in a door. War. Alright then. Bad man fit them, the man on the bad man day. Them a road war.
Looks. City Star, come in. A human that just come in. You run for the war, City. No man. He booking passage for the war and I'm going to play. He booking passage, I'm going to play. He can't jump off a ship. We don't left him. We don't left no selector behind.
So we are going, we are going.
City Star, come in.
Hey, come here, give me the mic. We're not gonna catch. Now right now we're gonna separate the big man from the little boys. You hear me? The big man from the little boys. If you can't play this, alright, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Well, big up City Star, I come from far. With Father Eddie, Shadow, Dylan Jam, and Bill Drake, and Mighty Anthony is who come bruise here. Brother Drake.
Yes! Tell them City Star, you're the champion, near and far, east, west, north and south. Why of the cloud? Watch him. Hey. When City Star turn and play rubber gun, someone start to run now. Someone start to run. Believe me, when he play each and every day now, he plays so great today. Well, no other sound system stand in his way. Believe me. Listen to me while I say to you, City Star, he's a champion sound, City Star.
Yo, if you want this tune, you have to go back to you. Watch this. If you want this tune, you have to go back to you we played earlier. You think that's man? You think that's it? Yeah, big tune.
Singing out a big sound. Look here. I'm still in love with City Star sound.
Big up City Star.
Good. The time will come, man. The time will come. I don't know how. Where you have a scissors in your hand? Where you have a scissors in your hand? Sure.
You see the first song I play? You give him little ratings. I'm going to clip your blood clot wings. Both men still in love with you. With a lullaby. And why are you there or in your bedroom? Why? You say me invade from Fort Lauderdale. You want me show you an artist who live at Fort Lauderdale? Want you with the badness? Look how me style him.
Pussy, right your blood clot, well, suck your mother.
You can't wear original vibes left in a box, blood clot to the unfold and stand still. And you don't know the things that the back cover. You're terrified. Don't shut to them blood clot to make a part. Give me my gun. Well, before you test original vibes, make sure you can pay your funeral bill. Them a fit, so we must let some roll. And we not stop murder, pussy, wall and skill. Before you try to testify them still, make sure you can pay your funeral bill. So we must let some roll. And we not stop murder, original. We don't drop every year, step up and grind.
Sucks. I see him easy to learn. Your coaches good. You will.
Tell them man they got a BB sound now.
You will. Wait, I was saying for the rehearse. So I rehearse will come. Okay.
Walk up.
I love the little thing we are going, but some Grammy artists you are playing.
Blue Wave Sound System. Selassie Alem.
City.
Miss.
City.
Bobby, I want to miss.
This little idiot, hey.
Bobby, I want pop
Me don't
that.
want to say. Kind of loud still. This kind of loud. You have to turn it down a little. Me don't want nobody say. Me I run follow the body now. But the man play film DJ. A DJ that's real close to my heart. We not talk about what the other day, but you see this DJ is one of my DJ now. Right now, last night, the DJ called me and the DJ them on the phone and talk about business, right? And then me say, hold on, Kino, call me, original bags, hold on. The man said, you know if you talk to Kino, Kino's not a killer. Tell him this right now.
Real Batman sound city star. Father Eddie, Baby Dread, John Wicked. They always posting at that. Even nobody don't know. Yo,
Kino!
this one you ever kill nobody. Don't suck your mother. You may get everything when you have a shot. Don't suck your mother. Real Batman sound city star.
Road boy. Him don't know that. And you was back at the class now, no subject. Youth, Cabra is very close to your heart.
Road boy.
That's wrong. No one love close to your heart.
You see when you start follow.
You say, me I no killer. You right? So since him talk about killer, can I play a killer?
On to them Philip, and yo, Washington, boy, blood running Washington, Jamaica, on to them Canada, and yo, London, them this the wrong fucking done, and the wrong man. Well, so now go dead down the road, we up till, yo, me not scared the gun, say one hell, this original vibes, I'm in the trouble, get bullet in the head, turn out the brain cell, yeah, so here me come, them and them time me like a hurt.
Yeah, easy. Lovers choice in the building, intensity in the building, big up on ourselves. You know what I say? Hot step and forward ladder real youth. Right now, you look like a warrior too hot for Bobby. Bobby bringing the young gun there. Importation, imports.
Bobby, pull up your one pop.
Alright.
This disruption zone. Don't belong to them little road. This motherfucking was not what the next party.
For destruction and not be affected from why you need a gun under them? Tell this right there. Oh my God, the father, this is all this only. Destruction, you know, but that's when them send home. Them not the money jumping. We'll go, but that's on the preacher's son. We'll go, for we just let them know. Let's go, so let them know nothing on me. We'll go, destruction, them party.
Alright, Bobby, don't want to make it. Bobby. I want this one like when the artist is in figure.
I know Bobby that's gonna. This one,
I want to play the coin. Oh, you get in.
So, team back from one.
Hold on.
But he said, let me tell you something.
Bobby, I play now.
Stop. Yo, come here. Fine. We have 2 minutes left in the fight. You know, we'll play over this one. No, hold on, man. We just have some fun and done. We have 3 minutes left. So find a good song or best song or one of your favorites. Just find a big song. Alright. I want to play here, sir. City, you run fine? City Star, you run fine? Alright, come to baby. Yeah man, come in and play one show. We're all ladies. Because we're done, you know. We're the beautiful lady here, you know. So alright, so kill that song and go and come back. Alright.
Hold on. Hey. We see one lady walk up something a while ago.
Lady Socks! Look at what them said a while ago for shoot after me.
Bobby, are you
You know that in the class we have some something real and you have some something not real. Hear what?
Rice, all Rasta gun, small gun, tall gun. We don't be with less than Rasta, ratchet. Got it? Tell them that the rim, my God. Don't just some baby. baby boy. Original vibes. Bumbo clot. Them can't come from my ends and tell man about gun down. They must have your tabernacle get burned down. Before sundown, when my gun come, boy shot tough and see my face and tongue down. Get burned down.
That is it. All I man, them drop off of the blood clot train. I want that.
You knew your son a real bad man, son no pussy, no punk, no puppet, no clown, and if you know that, walk up against this and dead by the phone. The one up Palm Beach, your front department take talking from people. I want to them why your principal, Bobby, guns you always have it. I want to Mr. Alta Skater, zip them body back. Pass the rounds and don't so no blood clot, don't we run that little talking. What's so then you're not talking. What's when you see the devil oxy. Who do the most talking? Who do the most talking? Gunshot. Can't keep me from me now, talk me now, laugh. Out of time, new wave, make her start. Big 45 for puff, no pussy can talk. My joy, Bobby gun, you know man, him not talking, no pay. We shot you, come you night, come DJ. Boy, if you get gunshot, that's on new wave, say. That's why the world dance ball. Fuck like pussy, like down the train. Big gun, the dance, make people feel pain. My joy, sound of the thing you know. Mommy gonna really on the phone. Well, boy, that is not test new way skill. Boy, you test Frankie Ball. Walk out, get killed with shot. Jack with regular.
All right. We have a young lady in the building. She said, Miss Alexis, anything the man them can do, she do it better. So right now, she'll come in slowly. I wish, stop it. I wish the singer, they say the woman them take a little longer to come. I wish singer. Yeah. Gregory Isaac. Yeah, say the woman them take longer to come. So don't abuse her and use her. Just wait for the lady. Yeah, wait for the lady.
This one?
Yeah. Alright, ready? Ready? Ladies.
And if you know, say, when a boy violate Kwame in a DJ because it's death and destruction. Violate. Some boy they know this. Destruction no come from no bar. Kwame like the 16 and it was shot that next thing. That's it to me. Some boy they know this. They don't come from no bar. Mighty destruction. We never lose so far. Hey! Don't take me nothing for murder. Them what they are baby. On the free, you just want to spread. Can't fight for the breeze. Like a man who not baby. So they can see it. Don't take me nothing for murder. Them what they are baby. I sleep up ready.
Alright. Wait for the next one. Alright. Natural vibes.
Jaja. I can't tell them gun. I don't know say I go to my thing there. But fear is fear. Me not go because me not go win. So like what that question you shoot after me? I could have you or a woman. One kick see away.
Advice, you know. Yo, you talk about the talking, you know we got the Mach 90 rifle, guns in the back end. You see that defense, you first back the step. Time down, move off your foot left, 2 pins up with your grip. Go up to your father, go cry like Bridget. You want to soldier, your first coat and cadet. First stand, nobody Soviet. Me want like US versus Soviet. They getting shot in the smoke in your head. Then this man like number one is like versus Soviet.
If I was a woman,
Infos, I walk
for real. If I saw want to behave in the bedroom,
step out, what man step out?
Play a song.
Relax.
Something wrong.
Yeah, go. What man want? What in the bad?
You will come in.
You know what? Love strike. Why you say? Why man step out? Get it.
Some
Yeah, make a play some sound song.
They do that play better when the song it turned down.
Yeah, make a play some
Are
sound
you
song.
in? Are you in a sweetheart? Ready? Are you? It's you to play. Yeah.
Yeah, first and first, I have to follow them. I'm on fire. Not on fire. It's not my fire. Yes. I'm the gangster. The punch from me one. That's why where I was born. It was well done. The punch from me one. And that's why you want to. And say what I do. So the
Yeah. Original vibes are your final tune.
Lexus.
New Year,
I want training them there.
War class. I can't shoot me left.
I training.
I shoot me right. Yeah. I'm already even not shoot after. New Year. I don't want to shoot after because sometimes you have to pick when you want to kill me. Maybe you don't shoot out here. You understand?
Yeah. Big man sound. Original vibes. Yeah. The Brian vibes. And the crew.
Let me know something already.
So glad. Brian vibes. Boy, that you're chopping them down. Yes, right. Original vibes. You just I cut them down. I've watched you all these years. Holding your head up high. Just holding to your sound. And all them some boys around. They didn't pay you no mind. How could they not?
Like on the underestimate this one, they're giving a chance to shoot after me and me kill them.
But I could tell from the start. Like feeling in your heart. And you wanted someone.
Alright. New Wave, come in. Come in, New Wave.
Hey, I'm
Yeah.
Brother, let me tell you that thing. You're running up in the wrong war now. You don't want to run up in the brick wall, you're serious to you. Your vehicle, I'm going to broke up. I'm going to talk about broke up business. You understand me? Don't try your luck, road war. A big son, diamond son. You understand what I'm saying? Do research and come again. It's because of the very final we feel like more playing a big song boy.
And this one is called Dub Exclusive. You know music business is a dub music. Watch and call the song, that big boy, don't worry. But I want to do it song. I come up the door right and come through this. Why? Why? I'm massive. You know. New wave gonna kill. Sound boys in us alone. Lord, new wave be mother kill. Sound boys in the alone. New wave is gonna kill. Sound boys in us alone. Lord, Bobby I go kill. Something fun in the alone. I want you want to all on road. New wave a chance to murder. Cause then today we are gonna
Alright. I final song over here, son. A final song over here, son. And the Empress Lexus, she don't hear no song I play for evening. And when a woman tell you that, you have to think, you know, because woman them know what they matter about, you know. Show them how to do it. Give the lady a round of applause. Come on, give the lady a round of applause.
Still representing us.
We're done. Thank you. Good night. We don't know if we'll be back next week, next year, or tomorrow, but I hope we should find another park, whether it's in Fort Lauderdale or it's in Palm Beach. We will be back. Thank you.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dank and so a disappointed sound boy.